Developers love to read technical books like this, and this, but wait, there are a few non-technical books I think each successful developer must read at least once. Software engineering is about solving problems using code as a tool, but near us there is much more. Product design, customer success, marketing, sales, but the king is the product. If you work in a product company, in my opinion, you need to learn how tech products works. That's why I think you need to learn Inspired by Marty Cagan. Inspired is probably the Bible for product managers, but also developers can learn a lot from it. In this book you will not find how to build a scalable system, design patterns or machine learning best practices. Instead you will learn everything related to digital products. You may be asking, okay, but how can this help me to improve as a developer? The thing is, a successful developer is not just a person who knows how to code. There is much more out there. Developing a feature is just one part of the product life cycle. First of all, we start with user needs. Our main goal is to help our users to solve their problems. To do so, we need to make a lot of product discovery to understand the main pain points. Now, the info collected from the discovery phase are moved into a shared knowledge base, and the product manager will make a few assumptions and start to create a product roadmap. Assumptions are validated through prototyping, and sometimes is not required coding at all. If you work in an agile context, you may know the sprint concept. Once the user problems are validated and prioritized, designers, engineers, and product managers start to work on potential solutions ideas. Once multiple solutions are evaluated, usually one is picked and the product team will start working on it. Once the feature is ready, a delivery strategy is chosen and the end user can start interacting with it. The work is not finished yet. We need to get feedbacks on the feature both from a quantitative and a qualitative point of view using customer interviews and analytics. Of course, this is an iterative process that will be repeated a lot of times during the life cycle of a product. A deep understanding of this process can help developers to understand the importance of user-centric thinking, to be aware of the product development process, and to be able to contribute not only with the technical solution, but also with the valuable feedbacks and ideas. Moreover, understanding product management basics can help engineers to work more efficiently and effectively with their colleagues. Back to the book, it is divided into 5 sections. Part 1. Lessons from top tech companies. This can be seen as an introduction, but there is already a lot of value here. Some key concepts like MVP, product market fit, vision are explained into this first section, and you will also get an overview of what you will see in the next sections. Part 2. The right people. In this second part you will find all the principles of strong product teams, all the key components of a product team, and also product teams at scale. You will also learn the role of head of product, head of tech, and so on. Also are well explained a lot of great principles for building product teams. Part 3. The right product. In this section you will learn product strategy, vision, OKRs, and a lot of product concepts. This section for me is really valuable for developers since you will learn a lot of things that are not usually in our mental framework. Part 4. The right process. Heath describes how to structure the product development process, how to implement a continuous discovery process, and how to manage the product backlog. This section is particularly important for developers who work in an agile teams, as it provides the solid foundation for implementing agile principles in product development. Part 5. The right culture. This section explores the importance of a culture of innovation and continuous improvement inside a product organization. I hope you will read this book since it can really be a game changer for your developer's life. If you liked this content, consider supporting me with a like and a comment to increase the reach. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.